All right. Good morning, everybody. It is a sort of overcast Sunday morning here in Florida, but it's supposed to be a beautiful day. So we're headed out to another car show on a Sunday morning. We're headed out to Orange Park, going to the Sunday pit stop cruise in at the Orange Park Mall. Um, been to this event ever since they started it. Every time it gets a little bigger every time when we don't have a natural disaster coming. So should be a good event. They've invited the Jeep Club out, so that could make it a good bit bigger, depending upon how many Jeeps actually show up. Um, but yeah, should be a good show. It's always a good show, whether they, whether it's big or not, because it's different cars, different people show up. So they took last month off, and they're gonna take next month off. So whatever. But yeah, it should be a good event. We'll see what we see. It will take a lot of video, take a lot of pictures. Don't know how long we'll be there because, well, when the people stop showing up, I tend to leave. So we'll see. It may not be very big at all because it took last month off. I just don't know. But anyway, so stay tuned. We'll go take some video and we'll show you what we get. Well, guys, it's kind of dead out here today. We got about 15 cars showed up. A couple have left by now. But, oh, wait a minute. Looks like we might have some Jeeps showing up. Just a couple. But anyway, this one's kind of dead. I don't know how long I'm going to stick around. Not much longer, I don't think. So, you win some, you lose some. Yeah, this is kind of what it looks like out here. Not a whole lot of cars. Sorry, I had to get a shot of that. Crowd killer. Nice. Okay, guys, we just left the Sunday pit stop cruise in at the Orange Park Mall. Uh, Definitely kind of thin this month. Don't know if that was because of events yesterday or if it was because they skipped the month and didn't get the word out. I don't know. It was small. Maybe 25 cars showed up in total. I don't know. It's usually a good show. I mean, there was different cars there. It was different. There, I mean, just an off day. But hey, still got videos out of it. We're still gonna have content, so that's a good thing. Um, so anyway, channel news. We broke the 150 mark. We are at 151 subscribers. That is absolutely terrific, absolutely wonderful. But like I said, we got to get to 500 to start getting some of that YouTube green, getting them ad dollars. So any help, any shares, whatever. I know the short video content has been probably been what's doing it because that's what seems to be getting a lot of views. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to try to do more of it. I don't know how, but I'm going to try. Uh, but yeah, I'm going to keep going and keep doing. Hopefully we'll get to 500 to get the monetization fairly soon. Then we can start making some channel upgrades and going to different events and going to further out events. Because you know and I know gas ain't cheap. I don't care where you are, gas ain't cheap. And when you drive a truck like I do, because reasons, you can see it in the background, it's that much more expensive to go. But I'm okay with that. Because I'm out here doing this for you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll keep doing these videos as long as you guys keep liking and sharing and commenting, and I keep growing. This channel keeps growing. Maybe we'll be able to go to the big shows eventually. The big shows. No promises there, though. We'd have to get a lot bigger to go to those. Because there's a lot of regional shows I'd like to go to that cost a lot of green to go to. Overnight hotel stays and stuff like that. But maybe once we start making some money on this channel, we'll start being able to do that. Maybe do some longer day outings. But anyway, so yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll keep these videos coming as long as you guys keep watching. And oh yeah, next weekend, the 9th of November, we're going to be out at Yulee High School with the Yulee High School cheerleaders. They are hosting their Best of the Nest car show. We're going to be out at that show pretty much all day. I know there's a couple of other big shows that are conflicting, so it might not be as big as in years past. But I'm still going to go. I'm still going to shoot video. I'm still going to shoot pictures. I'm going to do the whole shebang. Because, you got to support the extracurriculars for these kids. If you don't support them, they're not going to have them. So, I'll see you then.